Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys today how to make this amazing butter that can help you maintain your hair, that can help you regrow your hair. If you are suffering from hair loss or hair shedding, try making this butter. And I've been using this for myself. I've been using it for my kids, including my 5-month-old baby, and it has worked for all of us. So if you're interested in knowing how to make and use this butter, then definitely keep on watching, okay?
I'm coming in hot.
Welcome back guys. So let's jump right into it, okay? So the first ingredient I'll be using for this recipe is shea butter, and this is the unrefined shea butter. The second ingredient we'll be using is the extra virgin olive oil, and the third ingredient we'll be using is flaxseed gel. I've already shown you guys how to make this flaxseed gel in my previous video. I'm going to link it somewhere in this video. So the final ingredient is this carrot oil, which I also showed you guys how to make. I'm going to be leaving all necessary links in the description box, okay? So we are going to go ahead to scoop some of this shea butter, and we are going to be dissolving it using the double boiler method. If you don't know what double boiler method is, I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit. But basically, double boiler method helps the butter to dissolve evenly and slowly. I don't recommend you dissolving this in the microwave because that can kill some of the properties that are contained in this butter. So when it is completely dissolved, we are going to measure in 10 tablespoons of that shea butter into our mixing bowl. Shea butter is amazing for your hair because it contains important vitamins like vitamin A and E. It also contains essential fatty acids that moisturizes your hair, softens it, and help repair all that damaged hair. We will also be adding about 2 tablespoons of carrot oil, and carrot oil helps grow your hair longer and thicker due to its rich properties that work at scalp level. So that's one thing with carrot oil, it works at your scalp level, it stimulates hair growth and also prevents hair breakage. We are going to also measure about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil encourages hair growth. It contains antifungal or antifungal properties that help prevent scalp issues. And you guys, what causes all that hair damage most of the time is your scalp issues like dandruff, all of that. So when your scalp is, in good state, then healthy hair will be able to grow. So I'm going in to add also flaxseed gel, and flaxseed gel provides nourishment to your hair follicles. It prevents radical hair damage. So using flaxseed gel helps regrow all that hair loss, okay? So I'm going to mix everything now and pop it into the fridge, and I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes. And I actually left it for too long, you guys, and this is what happens. The oils solidify, and then the liquid, which is the flaxseed gel, doesn't basically do anything. We're just sitting there, so it's quite hard to mix. I'm just showing you guys this experiment just in case this happens. When everything solidifies like this, all you need to do is pop it back into hot water, and then leave it for about 2 minutes, and then it will be very easy for you to mix. So we are going for a very smooth butter. I don't want it to be too thick, that's why I added that amount of liquid. We are going to get it to a very fluffy consistency. So this is the consistency, guys. This is the texture. I love it so much. I love how fluffy it is. I love how smooth and how beautiful this butter is. I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into our container. So this is what it looks like, guys. Very fluffy, very smooth, very beautiful. I love the color as well, and I particularly love the texture, like it just melts in the hair. So this is basically how I apply it on my baby's hair. I just rub it between my palms and then go ahead to use it for all of our styling. Basically, I use this a lot for her, and her hair has improved massively. Her hair is growing nicely and smoothly. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I use this for my own hair, like I said. Even my husband uses this for his beards. Everyone basically uses this in my house. It works, you guys. I also use this for my 5-month-old baby, like I said, and her hair is growing so massively, growing so healthy. I love this butter so much. So if you are suffering from hair loss and hair shedding, or you just want to grow your hair healthy and nice, make sure you try this butter. And there are so many other reasons why your hair might be breaking. It could be the styles you put on, it could be how you comb your hair, it could be the tools you use like combs. There are a lot of things that can cause hair breakage, including health reasons as well. Anyways, guys, I hope you give this butter a try and let me know how you go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. On this channel we do a lot of hair growth tips. I also share hairstyles for kids. So if you haven't joined our channel yet, please click on that red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification. That way you won't miss any video from us. Thank you guys so much to those of you guys who already subscribed. Thank you for liking our video. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. We really do appreciate you guys a lot. Again, thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Don't forget that you are beautifully and wonderfully made. Always stay positive and don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye, guys.